What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and there can see that's the ZEBRONICS Barrel 90 mini party speaker, which is turned on now. And I'm gonna do the loud sound test of this thing connecting to my mobile phone using the Bluetooth. So let's check it out. And another thing is that this thing has a mic socket, which is right there at the top. I have connected one microphone. So this is the one. So I'm gonna turn it on and check the sound, how loud it is. Hello. What is up, YouTube? Hello. Hello. What is up, YouTube? Back again. It's your buddy technoboy. Hello. Hello. Please subscribe to my channel and share all the videos with your friends and family and hit the like button. That's it. So that's the sound of it at full volume. So this is not very loud, but it's okay. So now let's do the sound test.
I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. Every time I try to fit in, it ends up in misery, yeah. Socializing doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. No, I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world. I'm solo dancing on your body, crazy on my own, but all in. I can feel the eyes all staring, but I don't care about them saying. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. No, I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner.
You got me out in the deep, feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette, yeah. Drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape. You tease me and you touch me, I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah, tell me lies like you mind. Crazy how the time flies. We be getting sky high. So what? Hey, no rush. Hey, turn the lights out. Do you wanna level up? Baby, let me fill your cup or we out of here. Do you wanna take it slow? Just let me know. You tease me.
Go through the fire, break the fire, yeah. Chasing something true, caught in a bind.
And it hits me every time. Couldn't run, I tried. So do it one more time. I don't wanna free fall, dancing in your call. I die just to know what's on your mind. Spin me for so long, under your control. I die just to love you one more time. Will you hold me with your eyes? Oh, it burns me up inside. It's like fire. It's like fire. Oh, I'm fighting for my life. Just one touching of my life. It's like fire. It's like fire. It's like when the thunder's loud, all your true colors come out. They're still gray like clouds, but I see them clearly now. When the rain pours in, this is a warning. But I die just to love you one more time. Will you hold me with your eyes? Oh, it burns me up inside. It's like fire.